The geopolitical crisis is fueling financial instability outside of the Middle East. South Korea's currency and stock markets have taken a hit in response. The country's finance chief is calling for an emergency response. Moon Hye-ryun has more.
The South Korean won has taken a plunge against the greenback along with the stock market, driven by increased safe haven demand amid heightened conflict in the Middle East. At the close of Friday's session, the $1 exchange rate hit 1,382, 9.3 Korean won higher than the previous close. This comes following reports of Israel launching retaliatory missile attacks on Iran early on Friday morning, in addition to an official from the U.S. Central Bank mentioning the possibility of an interest rate increase, causing the dollar to sharply appreciate. The $1 exchange rate has fluctuated over the past week, surpassing the 1,401 to dollar mark during Tuesday's session for the first time in 17 months. The country's benchmark Kospi index also took a hit, coming to a close at just over 2,591. This is 1.63% lower than Thursday's close, and during the trading session dipped below the 2,560 mark for the first time since February. While the market showed signs of stabilizing the day before due to lowered expectations of Israel striking back, stocks plummeted once again in light of the recent developments. Speaking from Washington, D.C. via video conference, Finance Minister Choi Sang-mok commented on the growing financial instability at home and abroad. He called for all ministries to strengthen their emergency response systems to prevent any negative impacts on the South Korean economy, and that a joint emergency response team will continue to operate over the weekend to closely monitor any future developments. While there have yet to be any disruptions to energy, export and import, supply chain or shipping sectors, he instructed that the emergency response team needs to prepare in real time for situations as they unfold. Meanwhile, oil prices have seen a rise back into the $90 per barrel range over growing concerns over market supply in the Middle East. Moon Hye-ryun, Arirang News.